And girls high school hockey, the Bismarck Blizzard are off to another strong start. The defending four-time state champions are currently 2-0-1, but they have a tough two-game stretch coming up this weekend. Bismarck travels to one of the top teams in the state, West Fargo United, on Friday. Then on Saturday, they play Fargo North-South. The team believes that every team gives them their best shot because they're the state champs and they're not going down without a fight.
I think the teams are out to get us, and that just motivates us to be better and stronger. Yeah, I think we could have had sharper passes and even shot the puck better and hit the net.
Everybody should be going out and trying to win a state title. I think that's the whole reason that we're out here playing hockey anyway, is to try to get to that level. And so at this point in the year, I think everybody's in the race, everybody's in the hunt.
The Bismarck Blizzard game on Friday against West Fargo United is at 7 p.m.
Thank you, Matt.